Hi everyone. Uh, Today I want to show you how you can set up your reseller. So what is the reseller? Reseller are like plans for your SaaS. You can see we have different plans on Lindo, Studio, White Label, and others with different prices. So you can create your tiers here and configure your reseller platform like default credits each client after register will get, like a free trial credits. You can set 100, so anybody register in your workspace will get this to test your platform to see if they want to buy or not. And client register uh, is if anybody can register in your platform in your login page. Uh, when you set it to no, you just invite your clients. But if you put it on yes, anybody can register in your platform, use your trial, and check your tiers to buy or purchase your plans. What is tiers? Tiers are plans. We can define like starter. They get one website if they purchase. They will get 500 credits after they purchase this plan, and the price is $29 USD. We save it, create another like agency, wait, so level 5, you get them 2000 and the price is $59. What is credit package? Credit packages are one-time purchase for get more credits, like starter pack, buy 1000 credits for $9.99, or pro package for 500 with $19.99, and then save changes. Now, how your clients will see these plans or tiers or credit packages. You can see that by going to white label appearance and activate client view preview. This is how your clients will see your workspace when they log into your workspace, and here they will see your plans or buy your credits. Yeah, so you can exit here, open reseller, you can edit these parts and define your tiers or packages or credit packages, and set up your reseller. Make sure you connect your Stripe account so all the payments will go directly to your Stripe account and you can withdraw that money.